Hey little birdies, you're all coming over because you look like you're gonna get fed, right? Ooh, back up! You're gonna attack me! Ooh. Oh, you must see my bag of nuggets. Birds eating birds. Birds eating birds. Just joking! They're vegan! Vegan nuggets! Vegan nuggets. No birds eating birds. Look up a factory farm video like Farm to Fridge on YouTube. Meat.org, meatvideo.com. Vegan nuggets. Vegan nuggets. Woo. Alright, little birdies. For you in the back. The shy ones. Be a bird feeder, not a bird eater. Feed them bird seeds, not white bread. Just thought I'd make a little comedy video. Birds eating birds. Just joking. And look up the egg industry, one of the cruelest. From shell to hell. Baby male chicks that are useless to the egg industry. Won't grow big enough, fast enough for cooked flesh. Immercerated or ground up alive after they're hatched. Girls have it worse, debeaked and stuffed in tiny cruel cages and bred to lay so many eggs it destroys their body, nearly an egg per day. But worse is they live in tiny cages the size of a file drawer, like living in your closet. And for chicken, they're bred to grow so big so fast that their bones break, they have deformities, heart attacks, much more, and killed when they're babies, only a few weeks old. So vegan is the future. Stop the beaking and overcrowding. It's overpopulated, destructive people are the pests who have doubled in 50 years and killed off 69% of wildlife. Child-free, organic, vegan. Not to poison the bees, birds, insects, and ourselves. With pesticides, organic. Public transit over suburban sprawl saves. Share if you care, right, little babies? You little cuties.